Let's learn how to change the iPhone password to 4 digits. Have you ever found yourself in a situation where you wanted to set a shorter password with 4 digits but didn't know how? After watching this video, you won't find yourself in such a situation again. The first thing you need to do is open Settings, and once Settings is open, scroll down a bit. When you scroll down, you'll see the option Face ID and Passcode. Click on that option, and it will ask you to enter your current password. Once you enter it, a page with several options will open, and out of all those options, you need to click on Change Passcode. After you press that option, it will either ask for your password again or use Face ID. Once you enter it or complete Face ID, a page will open where you have the option Start Security Delay. When you press that, you'll need to wait an hour. Then return to this page and click Change Passcode again. When you press Change Passcode, it will ask for your current password, and once you enter it, a page to enter a new password will open. Below the field for entering the password, you will see the option Passcode Options. All you need to do is click on that option, and a menu will open where you need to press 4-digit numeric code. When you press that, enter the new password you want, and that's it. You've successfully changed the password to 4 digits. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.